This is crazy. After a massively bearish week for the Bitcoin price, we are potentially right now forming a very bullish Wyckoff accumulation schematic pattern. And you can see if we overlay this Wyckoff schematic onto the chart, it lines up almost perfectly. And as we are coming down to a very important zone of support, after trading in a sideways range for over 120 days, we are about to get an explosive move on Bitcoin. And this is the line in the sand that will determine which way is the price going to go. So today I'm going to be going over exactly how I'm trading this, showing you my open positions, hundreds of thousands of dollars right now on the line for Bitcoin. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications because you do not want to miss these updates. So let me just tell you where I'm at as far as my trades go. I am still in $250,000 worth of short positions on Bitcoin, as you can see right here. And a major shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord, because this short trade, we gave the setup in advance in the New York Open live stream in the VIP Discord. And of course, I'm trading now over on BLOFIN, where you can get all these amazing sign-up bonuses, including 15% cash back and up to $7,500 of bonuses, plus a chance to win all these things. If you want to trade on BLOFIN, no KYC, link in the description. So all this to say, I'm still short on Bitcoin. And the reason why I'm still short on Bitcoin is because objectively speaking right now, we have made a high, a low, a lower high, and a lower low, bearish market structure on the daily time frame, and so the trend is the friend. I am not going to close out these short trades right now. However, we are coming down to a very important zone of support. What is this zone of support? Well, you can see that going back to the beginning and the middle of February, we formed this little area right here of consolidation. And if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that this weekly order block is pretty much the only area of support that we have along the way down after this big move to the upside. And if we go ahead and we just put a little horizontal ray here, and we mark out the boundaries of this weekly order block, you can see we're coming down right now to this very important zone of support. In addition to that, if we pull a Fibonacci from that last swing low to the high, it lines up perfectly with this weekly order block. And so as we're coming down to this key support, we need to recognize the fact that Bitcoin is also lining up perfectly with this bullish Wyckoff accumulation schematic. Look, the Bitcoin made a high, it made a low. It made an equal high, it made a lower low. It made a lower high, now it's making a lower low. And what we really need to be paying attention to right now is this level on the chart at around $56,500. Because if Bitcoin can hold above $56,500, then there's a really good chance that this was a fake out to the downside. And so whatever happens down here, we have to understand this is very key support. Meaning if this support is lost, it opens up the door for 40K or worse. So if we're going to hold this support, we need to be watching now for Bitcoin to close a few daily candles here, especially this week. Let's watch and see what the price action does in the next few days. Because if we're going to hold above $56,500, we are seeing this bullish Wyckoff accumulation schematic. Plus, if we turn on our oscillator market Cipher B, we will confirm a bullish divergence on the daily time frame. Plus, if we go to our 4-hour, we have multiple drive of bullish divergence on our 4-hour time frame with money flow getting thicker. And we have our first little hint here of a potential bullish reversal because we are at support, we have bullish divergences, and we're potentially forming this bullish pattern on the chart. So does this mean Bitcoin is going to eventually break out and hit a new high? Well, we cannot know for certain, but here's one thing that I'm looking for. If the Bitcoin price does in fact hold above $56,500, I'm at least looking for a move back up to around the Fibonacci golden pocket at $64,000. Because if this is still going to be bearish, then we can expect a bearish retrace into this area of resistance at around 64K, and then we can eventually make a lower low. But on the other hand, on the other side of that Bitcoin, if we come up to this area and we just continue at the higher lows and higher highs, well then we could actually look to break this level, because that is exactly what the Wyckoff schematic does. It breaks out and makes another high. And so right now, it is very, very important that we keep our eyes on this chart right here. And I've personally opened up a small long trade, $100,000 worth on Bitcoin as we came down into this area right here. If we go to a lower time frame, the 5-minute chart, when we came up over the weekend from that first initial low, we got to retrace right into the Fibonacci golden pocket and 786 zone. So if this was our bottom, this is our first high or low. And so I'm really watching to see how this daily candle closes, because over the weekend, we didn't see things close as strong for the week as I would have wanted to see. So this is still a highly speculative long position, which is why I'm easing my way into it here. But I also fully understand that if this daily candle closes bullish, and especially if we close the candle above $56,500, then that does open the doorway for a larger move to potentially 64K or even higher. By the way, guys, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give the juicy trade setups in advance, multiple instructors doing multiple live streams every single day, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the VIP Discord. We also have a lot of different trading courses in here, some of the best resources for new traders on the internet, very, very cheap, and the information you get in these courses is unparalleled. You could take a whole bunch of courses, you will not even get a fraction of the information that is available to you in these courses for the price. Also, guys, I'm currently trading on MEXC, best deal on trading fees, but it does require KYC. And then if you don't want to trade on KYC, I'm trading on ZOOMEX and BLOFIN. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.